Hey everybody! Every summer I get fascinated with mermaids, and this summer is no different. So today we are taking some mermaid illustrations and turning them into articulated mermaid paper dolls. And we're painting them with FINETEC iridescent watercolors from Royal Talens, which are as shimmery as fish scales. They are the perfect paint for this project. And next, we're going to make them last forever by laminating them with my Xyron Creative Station. Are you ready? Let's make some articulated mermaid paper dolls. Mermaids possess four main powers: immortality, telepathy, hypnosis, and clairvoyance. There are four types of mermaids: traditional, selkies, shapeshifters, and the merfolk. The first American paper doll commercially produced as a children's toy was Boston-based J. Belcher's The History and Adventures of Little Henry in 1812. I'm going to leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano, and I will see you real soon. Bye.